Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Ria. If you don't know who I am Ria, and welcome. In today's video, it's going to be an unboxing and first try on. I just got my FYTOO package in the mail and I am ready to unbox it with you guys, try it on with you guys, and give you my thoughts. So let's get right into it. So first I'm going to show you guys the unboxing, the packaging, and everything that came with the package.
All right, so let's talk about FYTOO. They're an online eyewear brand that started in 2021, and honestly, I like that their goal is simple. Make glasses that look good, feel good, and don't cost a lot of your coins. They work with a bunch of manufacturers and lens brands, so you're not just getting cheap plastic that falls apart. They have tons of frame styles, and the lenses are solid too. I like the blue light blocking. They also have photochromic, polarized, tinted, and mirrored. Plus, they back everything with 30-day returns, up to 2 years of coverage, and secure payment so you don't have to stress about it. People really love them for their fast shipping, they have good customer service, and overall, their quality, which is why they've built such a good rep. For me, they just make getting glasses easy, reliable, and actually fun. And honestly, that's kind of rare. That's why I think FYTOO is definitely worth checking out. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching.
Now we're going to do the try on, and before we do that, I have to pop these contacts out. So give me just a few seconds. Okay, now that I got my contacts out, let's try on the first pair of glasses. All right, guys, let's try this on. Oh, okay. This is definitely gonna take some getting used to. Okay, y'all. These are super cute, and I'm looking this way because my mirror is over here. I really like them. I will say it will take some getting used to because I haven't worn glasses in a while, but I'm liking these. Like, these is so me. Like, can't tell me nothing. Like, oh, okay. Yes. I'm gonna have to do some try-ons with some different hairstyles. I am liking Dimitri. Come on now. Come through, Fatu. Come through. All right, so the first ones, I'm gonna give y'all my ratings at the end, but so far, so good. I'm liking what I see. I am liking what I see. So, y'all, when I say I cannot see, I cannot see. Okay. Here's, I'm gonna go ahead and open the next one. Oh, these Angela. These are pink. Pay attention to the detail now. And, okay. I can't wait to see what these look like on me. Look at the crystal details on the sides of the eyes. Okay, let's see. I like these too. I like these. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. This is Angela. And I usually, these are kind of like a little slight cat eye, but look at the detail, y'all. Look at the pink. And if anybody knows me, they know my favorite color is pink. I love pink, so I thought, why not get some pink glasses for my first pair of glasses that I'm getting from FYTOO? But yes, I am liking them. They fit my face. They don't make my face look too big. It doesn't look too small. I really like them. And like, these would be something that I would wear if I was doing like a messy bun up or something. Like, that's cute high puff, super cute. I love the color because these are the ones that you want people to pay close attention to the detail, and the coloring is beautiful. So I like these. Angela, you look good, Angela. You look good. So that's two down, and we got two more to go. Oh, and each bag comes with the eyeglasses cleaner. Oh, okay, so these are Sebastian. I think I'm saying that right. Let me take out the packaging. So these are black glasses, but the reason why I chose these is because they look like shades, but they're actually glasses. They just have a clip on. Well, it's magnetic. So that's what they look like, and you just magnetically put them on. Let's try on. And I got a visitor here. I want him to tell me his first reaction when I put these glasses on. And say it out loud. Is these a nay or a yay? And then look, when my son in my eye no more. You like it? You don't like these? Okay, I like these. These look professional. They, if I'm out showing the house, I would definitely rock these. They just look nice and sleek. And then these are super cool to me. Like, boom. I never have to buy shades again. And they got the prescription in them too. Like, that's a double win. Glasses with the, hold up, with the clip-on shades, and they're with prescription. Like, you cannot beat that. These came in another color, and I was kind of undecided between this one, and I think it's a goldish clearish color. I'll pop the picture up. But I decided to go with the black, and I'm glad that I did. I like these. These are so bomb. Like, you can't tell me nothing. I just gotta figure out. That's so, the magnetic part is so strong, though. I guess you, oh, so it clips, it's magnetic, but it clips on the nose. That makes sense. These are super cute. So we 3 down and 1 more to go. And so far I'm liking what I picked. Like, yes, yes, yes. Next. Okay, so we showed Dimitri, we showed Angela, we showed Sebastian. This one is Lewis, the next one. Ooh. These are clear. And I'm just gonna give y'all a little close up for the details in the glasses, the detailing. I was kind of skeptical about getting the clear ones because I didn't want them to look like safety hazard glasses on me. And that's what I think about when I see the clear glasses. Okay. They still give, I like them. They still give in the laboratory safety glasses to me. But they are cute. I'll give them that. They're cute safety hazard glasses. But as long as they're cute. I will say, I don't know. These might end up being my favorite. I don't know. I like them. I like the fit, the design, and I like that they're clear. I just have to get over the safety hazard look, but they are cute. I do like them. What do y'all think? Okay, so I'm gonna just keep these on because I cannot see, and I don't feel like popping in my contacts back in right now. But so far, out of all the glasses, I like them all. My favorite is a tie between Dimitri and Sebastian. So these clear glasses, I give these probably out of 10, maybe a 6 or 7. Like I said, they're cute. It's that they'll have to grow on me, but six, I say 6.7 out of 10. We'll give it that. Okay, so that's Lewis. This is Angela. Angela, I rate her about a good 8.2 out of 10. Yeah, she about a good 8.2 out of 10. She's cute. I like the detailing on the sides that I just seen, but I'm loving the pink. Sebastian is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. You cannot, I don't care, I don't care, I don't care. The glasses, they look sleek, professional. Any type of wear glasses. You can wear these anywhere. But then it's just a plus that you have the shades. So they look good in glasses and in sunglasses. Definitely 10 out of 10. I like these. I like these a lot. Okay, and the last ones, Dimitri. I'm gonna put these back on once I finish doing Dimitri. 9.2 out of 10. I like these, but Sebastian still got it. Let me know in the comments, what do you rate Dimitri, Louis, Sebastian, and Angela, and which ones that you feel look the best. My top pick is this one. This will be my second. The third would be Angela, and then the fourth would be Louis. Not that it's a bad glasses. It just has to grow on me. But yeah, I like Dimitri. Dimitri is cute. So that's my first impressions of the FYTOO glasses, unboxing and first try on. I'll give you guys an update a week after using them, but so far I'm very impressed. The prescription looks good, like I can see, just as if I had my contacts in. So that was one thing that I was super worried about, but I can definitely see. If you're thinking about protecting your eyes while still looking good, you might want to check out FYTOO and use my code RIA20 to save you some coins. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.